What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Arda Bhattacharya. Now, I know Rajat pretty well because of our own professional engagements altogether. And the reason for joining up the Startup Frat community altogether is because of Rajat himself. And top of that, I just wanted to be a new age entrepreneur altogether because I've got a pretty good much of experience in the corporate life, approximately a decade of experience, more than a decade of experience altogether. But it's like the growth is it's like the atmosphere of the in the corporate culture itself is very stagnant altogether. I mean, it's like the decisions have to be you cannot you cannot be your own boss altogether. That is the most important thing. And the reason for joining up, especially the startup frat community, is basically because of Rajat altogether, because Rajat is able to motivate any of the employees and whatever he quotes, and he is a very good inspiring coach altogether. That's what I can say about him. And whatever he quotes or whatever facts he says about entrepreneurship, it's like you can be very much be sanguine that it's 100% correct altogether. And he has got a plethora of experience in the varieties of business professions altogether, which is a very added advantage of having Rajat as a coach. So I would request everyone, whoever wants to be a part of the entrepreneurial community, to come and join the Rajat's community altogether. And also I would also request to look into the courses which are being published by Rajat. It is very beneficial for any of the wannabe entrepreneur itself. So that's it. Thank you and good night.